In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your page a static page. Let's say you have a page that you want to make your home page, you want to make it static. When you design, you want that page to show. So I'm going to show you how to do it. Presently, let's see how our home page looks like. This is how our home page looks like, but I'm going to create another page and then assign that page as the home page that people will see. So let's go back to my WordPress admin dashboard. I click on add. I want to add a new page, design it, and then we'll make it the home page. Let's say this is, I call it Amole page. So let me just use this for instance, and then I want to add something here. I just want to add an image. Let me just upload an image which I'm going to use here. So I upload this. I want to make this my home page, so I publish it. The page is published. So let's view it and see how the page looks like. Okay, this is the page. This is how it looks like, but presently this is our home page. So we want to make this our home page, this new one. Now let's go back to our WordPress admin dashboard. What you will do is just to come back to your settings, go to reading. You have to come here. Your home page displays what? This place is specifically where you will change to any page you want. Click on static. When you come for the first time, it will be here. What you will do is just to click on static, select this home page. Which page do you want to make your home page? Amole Faith page. That's what I want to do, or Amole page. So as soon as you select it, you scroll down, click on save changes. You want to make Amole page the home page that people see when they visit. Could be any page at all. So as soon as I save it, I go back and refresh. Let's refresh our page. Let me refresh again. So let's go back and see what this page looks like. Let me edit this page. Let's save it again. So as soon as you save it, go back to this place and refresh it. Can you see? So our home page, if you go to faithamole.store, this is what it's going to show you. So this is how to convert any page into a static page. That is the page people will see. You can switch any page at all. You can create another page and decide to use it as your home page. I hope this video helps you. Please like this video and watch out for the next video.